everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy Dollar Tree Valentine home decor DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using this Dollar Tree wooden hearts. Now I'm going to paint like the bottom piece and the top piece using some white chalk paint. I'm going to paint this love sign that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. As you can see, there are 4 different sections. I did paint 2 of them white. For the third one, I will be using this scrapbooking paper that I grabbed from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm going to cut it to size by tracing it with a pencil, then cut it. But as you can see, it isn't big enough, so I'm going to just use another piece from the same paper and attach it on the other side, which honestly, after everything's glued down, you can't even tell. I had this little wooden heart that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I decided to add it there where the 2 papers meet, but honestly you can't even tell. It was just me that I thought you could, but yeah. Now for the 4th section, I didn't paint it, I just left it the color it is, and I added the love sign. For the hanger, I added the same little hanger that I had, but I added some wooden beads. And to finish it off, I added a burlap bow to the corner. And that is it. Look how beautiful this love heart turned out. For my next project, I will be using 2 of these Dollar Tree wall shelves. I am going to glue these together, and I'm going to just add some of these ornament hearts that I got from the Dollar Tree. I was going to use 4, but I do end up using only 3 of these, which I am going to paint red using the apple barrel acrylic paint in the color Red Flag. To cover the holes on the side, I will be using these bamboo sticks. I'm only using 1 of them, and I painted it using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now, before I add this, I am going to add the hearts, and I'm going to add them with a piece of jute twine and some beads. Once I was finishing adding these, I just added a little bit of glue and glued the hearts down so they wouldn't move. Now I'm going to glue the bamboo sticks on the side. And now look how beautiful this looks. Now you can add anything to this. I'm adding this love metal sign that I have. This actually comes from a Dollar Tree sign. The Dollar Tree carries so many different things that you can add here. So that is it for this beautiful love sign. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree 10-inch wood piece that I'm going to paint white. I am also using a wooden heart. This one right here comes from the Dollar Tree, but the one I'm using is from Hobby Lobby. It is a Christmas ornament, so it did cost me like 50 cents from $1.99. I will be painting this using the Apple Barrel acrylic paint in Red Flag. Now that I have everything painted, I'm going to add this Dollar Tree love sign using hot glue and the heart on the side. To finish this off, I will be adding a jute twine bow to the heart, and that is it for this beautiful love countertop sign. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree plank board, which I absolutely love. I am going to remove the beads, or the hanger actually, because I'm going to use this sign vertical instead of horizontal. I will be adding the words I love you using these Dollar Tree small little tiles, which actually they're not from Dollar Tree, they're from Dollar General. I think the pack was under $3 or under $4. I will be adding a picture to this, but I felt like the picture needed a frame. So for the frame, I will be using this Dollar Tree heart, which I'm going to paint white. I did cut the inside part, and this is how it looks. Now I did print out this picture, and I'm going to just cut it to size, glue it to the heart, and then glue it to the sign. To cover the hole, I will be adding a little bow I made using this Dollar Tree ribbon. Using that same ribbon, I will be making the hanger. And that is it. Look how cute this turned out. This is also perfect for a great gift. And it's going to be so special because it is personalized. For my next project, I will be using 2 of these new Dollar Tree signs, which I absolutely love. Now, I found 2 different colors. I found these that are in black, and I found like a whitewash ones, which I love, love, love. I am actually going back and see if I find some more of these because they are great to craft. Now I'm going to attach these together using this Dollar Tree wooden piece, which I will be reusing. I did cut this in half and I will be gluing it using hot glue. And this is how it looks. Now you can make a sign either vertical or horizontal. I will be making mine vertical, which is going to be a large sign. I will be adding this Dollar Tree love word, but I'm going to just set it to the side and work on the other stuff that I will be adding to the sign, which is going to be a Dollar Tree wooden heart, which I'm going to paint white. I honestly didn't know what to add to the heart, but I did end up adding some burlap ribbons and some jute twine strings, which I just added it here and there. I made a bow using both of the ribbons, which I'm going to add it to the corner to cover the hole. Now I felt like I needed something at the bottom, so I wasn't sure if I should add some of this same ribbon. Instead, I added some more jute twine. And that is it for the heart. Now I'm going to glue this to my sign and then add the word love underneath it. I almost forgot to mention I did add another ribbon behind the O, so the heart and the O could have like the same red and white buffalo check. The last thing I will be doing is adding some jute twine for the hanger. And that is it for this beautiful large love sign. And that is it for these beautiful new Dollar Tree home decor DIYs. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.